According to Einstein's General Theory of Relativity, gravity is a force. Then what gravity actually is? Let me show it to you. But before that, hello friends, this is Mukherjee and you are watching Student Science Lab. So without waiting anymore, let's get started. Einstein dived into thinking what gravity is, and 10 years later, from when his book on the theory of special relativity was published, he published his another book on the general theory of relativity. According to Einstein, the most amazing scene in a person's life could be if a person falls from the rooftop to the ground. I mean to say, when the person is falling from the rooftop to the ground, everything that he will throw when he will falling will be floating around till his body touches the ground or hits the ground. This physical movement experienced by that inertial observer, I mean the person who is taking part in this event, this physical movement will be exactly same like a person inside a rocket in space. He will be floating and everything around him will be floating also. Well, this is just the starter of the proof against gravity. Let me go more, then you will understand. Suppose a person in a rocket has moved a little from the orbit and then the speed is boosted slowly. But he wouldn't understand if the speed is boosted by a little. Everything will remain the same. For the inertial observer, he or she wouldn't experience any speed. Even he would think that he is going on a straight line. He wouldn't experience any change until he lands or the rocket got crashed on a planet. Exactly same thing happens when a person falls downwards and hits the ground. Now you may think, what gravity is? What happens in the space? Why the earth moves around the sun? If it's not gravity, then what is it? Well, this is all about space-time. Space and time taken together, we call it space-time. Time because nothing is possible without time. Everything happens following the time. Space-time is of a shape known as geodesic, like a heavyweight object in the middle of a sheet, which causes the sheet bend on that particular position, and the sheet around it looks like a circle. Let me clear it to you with an example of Earth. When a plane starts its journey on the geoid, it follows the straight line. But when we open the folder like a map, we see that the plane didn't travel in a straight line, but the line looks like a little bit rounded. That's what happens in a curved space-time. An inertial observer goes in a straight line, but because of the space-time's geodesic shape, you couldn't even understand but will follow the curved space-time. Now you may have a question, then why the apple falls to the ground? Everything falling into the ground keeps following the curved space-time until something stops them from doing that. There are more mathematical causes of an apple's fall, proving that it's not a gravity. Well, for me, gravity is like an illusion. What do you think about gravity? Let me know in the comment section below. In the next episode, we're going to know that we are continuously being pushed upwards at 9.8 meters per second square speed. Well, why? Let me discuss in the next episode. Till then, thanks for watching. See you soon in the next episode. Thank you.